Follow along with us as we descale our Nespresso Breville Essenza Mini. First of all, this solution is very acidic, so it's important to protect your surfaces. I would recommend setting aside 30 to 40 minutes to complete this entire process so that you don't rush. The instructions to activate the descale mode on my machine were to hold the top two buttons down together for 5 seconds, and then when the buttons began to blink quickly, the descale mode was activated. From there, to do each rinse, we would press the button for the large cup of coffee. For us, the descaling process consisted of 4 rinses total. The first 2 rinses use the descaling solution, and so you run that through twice, rinsing out your cup and rinsing out the other receptacles on the machine as well between each one. And then after you're done with the first 2 descaling rinses, you do 2 clear rinses to clear out any remaining residue from the machine. Once you've completed all of the rinses, you deactivate the descale mode in the same way that you activated it, and then you're instructed to wait for 10 minutes before using the machine again. Before the descaling solution, our Nespresso machine was not working, and now it is working. So I would 100% recommend this Nespresso descaling solution.